Let's take a look at one of the most underrated and often overlooked feature of Windows 10. Windows 10 has a feature called Game Bar, which you can activate by pressing the keys Windows G. This is an overlay that you can use anywhere in Windows, especially inside a game. This more often than not overlooked game bar has been slowly and steadily adding features that add more functionality and possible use cases for an end user like you. So let's take a look at all the available features as of now and what potential it holds for the future. When you press Windows G, you get to see the Xbox overlay. It might load slow at first, but then onwards it will pop up quickly. The bar you see at top here is like the taskbar of this overlay. So if you click on an icon, that will launch the specific widget, and if you click on it again, it will minimize that widget. Onto the available widgets then. First, you have audio that lets you control volume of all the apps open individually along with the main volume. I'll get back to calculator later. Then we have capture and gallery. Capture lets you instantly start recording any of your single window. If you minimize that window, the recording will stop and the clip will be saved. You can view these clips from the gallery and play them there as well. Then we have these three Xbox related widgets which I personally don't and would not use but might be something that you are into. Then we have the performance and resources widgets which are literally almost the alternates for Task Manager. If you want to keep an eye on how much load your CPU or GPU is under all the time, you can pin this and you'll keep seeing it wherever you place it. All the widgets are pinnable by the way and also highly customizable in terms of color and transparency, which I really like. The resources tab is the same as your processes tab under Task Manager but much cleaner. Then we have the Spotify widget, where you'll have to link your account first, and whenever you want to play music, you must also have the app open. But you can change songs, play or pause your music, and like tracks from right here. I'm surprised why there isn't a widget for Microsoft's own Groove Music though. Moving on, remember when I said we'll talk about the calculator at the end? It's because it's not built in. I got it from the widget store present at the bottom here. This store went live recently and there are already a few widgets that are from the apps that a lot of you might already be using. For example, IQ, EVGA Precision, and Razer Chroma. I got the calculator app from here too so that I can have quick access to it. But what excites me about this store is that the potential that it holds. If widgets for some of the most commonly used apps would all be available here. A good example of that would be something like Notes, especially Google Keep, which I use a ton. And if not, then Microsoft's native Notes app might have to do. So what do you think about the potential of Xbox Game Bar? Do you have any idea for a widget in mind? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, be kind to everyone.